Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
True about Gardner syndrome is appropriate answers, apparent clouding of consciousness found in prisoners, and hallucinations. All these are true in Gardner syndrome.
but if we have to select one, we can select C as the answer because only is wrong. It is found in prisoners, but it is not exclusive to them. It is present in prisoners, separate definitely, but it is not only found in prisoners. It can be found in other patients also. So this is the wrong statement. Thank you and thank you for watching.